There. I recently purchased a Samsung HD TV and tried to connect my old PC speakers that I used to use with my older TV. And so I have this speaker right here. It's a Yamaha, it's a good quality PC speaker. It is connected to the headphone jack in the back of the TV. And in the old days, I should be able to control the volume of the TV, and the volume coming out, or the audio coming out of the speaker, will automatically be adjusted as well. So as you can see right here, I increase the volume, and I get this message. It says that the TV is set to use external speakers. Adjust the volume on the connected speakers directly. So what that means is, on this speaker, I have to turn up the volume right there. So you can turn up the audio right here.
This is also applicable to other Galaxy devices. But
like that.
In this demo, I'll be using
no volume with volume. So with this dilemma, I decided to stop by at the local Best Buy to ask around any soundbars that I can have, so that when the volume is turned on with my existing remote or remotes, the volume in the audio in the soundbar will go up and down. The salesman says the soundbars from Samsung will not work that way with Samsung TVs. You have to use the remote that came with the speaker, which is like this, in order to turn up or adjust the volume that you are hearing from the speaker and or the TV. So I decided to stop by Costco and grab one of these speakers. It's called the Samsung HW-HM45C SoundBar that came with subwoofer that is connected remotely via Bluetooth with its own power source, as well as two cables, HDMI and optical. Went ahead and used the HDMI connection or connector, and I hooked it up to the back of the TV to the connector labeled HDMI ARC. The important word there, or the important term there, is ARC. I know it stands for something. I don't have that information at the moment. But anyway, the other end of this cable is connected to the back of the speaker. And in the back of the speaker, there's an HDMI in, there's an HDMI out. I connected the cable to the HDMI in, not out, of the on the back of the speaker. Given the cable or connection setup, the speaker needs to be connected properly. The input type is D-in or digital in. So this is the button right here. This is the button. All you have to do is tap it until you see the D-in. In this case, D-in is right there, and it becomes TV arc, which is the ARC connected HDMI in the back of the TV. So now with that setup, I am ready to use the speaker. This is the remote, and that is the video playing, no audio yet. And the speaker is being used is this one and not this one. So here's the volume right here.
The cover for the screw, like this. So you can use you can cover the screwdriver if you want.
So now I'm using my remote to adjust the volume on the speaker, using the TV instead of the speaker. So what's going on here is I'm telling the TV what volume to adjust to, and the TV will tell via HDMI to the speaker the proper volume right there. So similarly, I can use the remote control of the DirecTV or cable box. In this case, this is DirecTV. So I have this. The volume is going up and down. So now, using this remote, I can do up.
First, you have to lift the
right there,
and then
or down.
We pry out
the volume right there.
This is the assembly. We pry out the cover for the screws like this.
Sorry. I had to point the remote to the TV, so it goes down and up using this remote right here. Another way of adjusting the volume is using this remote that came with the speaker. So you point it to the speaker and it goes up and down right there. So that's the video about the using the soundbar from Samsung and controlling it with TV's remote. I hope this gives you information and a way to improve the audio of your HD TV.